how to fix the fingerprint scanner is not working on your MacBook. So if you're not able to use your finger to log into your Mac, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the finger sensor is completely clean, and also make sure your finger is clean as well. So you can go and grab something like a microfiber cloth and just go and clean the sensor on the keyboard like so. Now, once you've ensured that everything is dust-free and clean, you can head over to your Mac computer. You'll need to click on the Apple logo at the top of the page and press System Settings. You can then scroll down to Touch ID and Password, and you need to make sure Use Touch ID to unlock your Mac is turned on. And you may also want to enable these other options to use Touch ID for these different features. Now, if you've already added a finger ID like I have here, then what you may need to do is try deleting this and adding it again. So you can click on the cross icon, and you'll need to enter your password to go and remove this fingerprint. You could then click on the Add Fingerprint button. You could then place your finger on the fingerprint scanner and keep lifting it up and placing it back down as instructed on the screen. Now keep doing this until you get to 100% complete, and when it says Touch ID is ready, just press Done. You could then go and lock your Mac computer, and you should now be able to unlock it using the Touch ID.